The Centerforce dual friction clutch kit is for those of you that have a 2012 to 2018 JK with the 3.6 liter engine that are looking for a replacement clutch and flywheel, as well as the pressure plate, of course, that is not just going to replace your factory OEM style stuff, but be an upgrade. This is going to hold even more power and hold even better than that factory clutch will. This install comes in at a 2 out of 3 wrenches, and I'm going to talk you through how to do it in just a second. So as far as clutch kits go, this is going to be very complete. As I said, you're going to get your flywheel, your pressure plate, your dual friction clutch pack is in here as well. You're going to get a throwout bearing, alignment tool, all of the other hardware that you're going to need to get this kit installed. So it is going to be very, very complete. And the whole idea behind this is that it has more holding power than the factory stuff does. So if you have power adders, if you have gears, if you have big tires, if you have any of that stuff and you want to beef up the rest of the drive line, the clutch is going to be part of that, and this is going to be able to hold a little bit better, not only to more horsepower, but also against all of those other forces if you do happen to be off-road, and because of other modifications to the Jeep may end up with your clutch slipping in one way or another. Now, this is going to be a pretty difficult install, as I said before, no difficult than any other clutch install, but as a whole, clutch installs are pretty complicated because the transmission does have to come out or at least move back to give you space to do this. You'll have to get in there to be able to unbolt the pressure plate, remove the clutch plates, get the flywheel out, put everything back together. Everything needs to be torqued properly. There needs to be Loctite where it needs to be. A lot of different things need to happen in order to get this install done and done correctly, so everything is going to hold up as well as it should over time. So if that's not something you're comfortable with, you don't have the tools for it, no shame in taking your Jeep to a shop to have this kit installed. This is going to be a pretty fairly priced kit in my opinion. This comes in at right around the $1,000 mark for as complete as this is, for it being an upgrade over OEM and for it being some very high quality components. I do think that's going to be pretty fair and right where you would expect to pay for a kit like this. So pretty fair price as well. Overall, I think it's a complete kit. I think it's priced fairly, and it is going to give you an upgrade over the factory clutch. So if that's what you're looking for, I would recommend this option from Centerforce, and you can find it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.